So, welcome back to, well, this will be part 7 of the Minnow, and I'm going to put on some of the rails around the boat. And the rails I'm making out of brass rod, and these are either in 0.032 thou or 0.81 millimeter rods. So on this extension and this one is where it's going to be a rope across the rail. So I've twisted a little hoop into one end. I'm going to start off in the bottom rail, and just a matter of passing this through the rails as we move on. Trying careful not to bend them too much. Oops, I just broke one.